The following video contains graphic content. Viewer discretion is advised. Hello South Africa. Cable thief got burnt in the face. A cable thief was burnt in the face and upper body while trying to steal cables, unaware that some wires were alive, in Alexandra in Johannesburg. City power teams and contractors were busy on site trenching to repair a cable fault near the Alexandra Substation when, bizarrely, the thief tried to cut and steal copper cable a few meters away on Monday, March 13, 2023. The thief was unaware that some of the cables were live and supplied electricity to customers at the time of his actions, and he burnt his face and upper body. City Power spokesperson Isaac Mangina says the cable blew up and burnt the suspect on most of the upper body, including the face. He was seriously injured and is in hospital under police guard. Mangina said the police arrived on site and rescued the suspect just as the community was about to beat him up. Due to cable theft, the community accused him of adding to their ongoing days without power. The area near River Park and the surroundings is one of the hotspots for cable theft and vandalism. Most of the community east of the Jukskei River has gone for almost a week without electricity. Members of the Sandringham police arrested the suspect. He faces charges of tampering with and attempted theft of essential infrastructure and other related crimes. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.